Welcome to the VR training module for automotive maintenance. In this session, you will learn how to safely and effectively change a tire. Now, position the jack under the car frame near the flat tire. Raise the vehicle until the tire is about 6 inches off the ground. Safety tip: in real life, always use jack stands for added stability. Use a wrench to loosen the nuts while the tire is still on the ground. Then fully remove the nuts and carefully pull off the flat tire. Notice the animation here demonstrating correct posture. Align the new tire with the bolts and push it into position. Then tighten the nuts in a crisscross pattern. Lower the vehicle slowly back to the ground, then fully tighten the nuts using wrench provided. Again, tighten in a star pattern for an even pressure. Congratulations, you have successfully completed the tire changing process in VR. Practice makes perfect. Feel free to repeat the module as needed. In real world scenarios, you'd also apply the parking brake.